Welcome to Core Gut. Are you tired of dealing with bloating, constipation, or that sluggish feeling that drags you down? If you're a senior between 60 and 80, you might be noticing your digestion isn't as smooth as it used to be, leaving you uncomfortable or low on energy. The good news? There's a tiny, powerful superfood that can transform your gut health and make you feel vibrant again: sesame seeds. In today's video, we're revealing 5 incredible ways sesame seeds can boost your digestive health, specifically for seniors like you. These benefits are backed by science, easy to apply, and could change how you feel every day. So, stick around. You don't want to miss these life-changing tips to reclaim your gut health and vitality in your golden years. Before we dive in, I'd love to know where you're joining me from today. Are you watching from sunny Florida, chilly Wisconsin, or somewhere else? Drop a comment below, share your gut health struggles or favorite ways to use sesame seeds, and let's connect. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a health-boosting tip from Core Gut. Let's build a community where we support each other to thrive. Your story matters. Now, let's explore the first amazing benefit of sesame seeds for your gut. 1. High fiber content. Keep your gut regular and happy. Do you struggle with constipation or irregular bowel movements, feeling weighed down after meals? Sesame seeds are a fiber-packed powerhouse, delivering a hefty dose of dietary fiber to keep your digestion smooth and regular, especially for seniors. Why fiber in sesame seeds matters? Sesame seeds provide about 3 grams of dietary fiber per 28-gram serving, roughly 2 tablespoons, making them an excellent prebiotic, a food source for good gut bacteria like bifidobacterium and lactobacillus. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting peristalsis, the muscle contractions that move waste through your colon. This prevents constipation, a common issue for seniors due to slower gut motility with age. For seniors, fiber is crucial to combat hypochlorhydria, low stomach acid that hinders digestion, and reduce inflammation, which can worsen sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. A 2021 study found that older adults consuming high-fiber diets, 30 to 50 grams daily, had better gut motility and lower risks of heart disease and diabetes. Sesame seeds fiber also supports nutrient absorption, keeping your muscles and energy levels strong. How it works in your body. In your colon, gut bacteria ferment sesame seed fiber into short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which strengthen your gut lining and reduce inflammation. This process supports the gut-brain axis, boosting serotonin production, 95% made in the gut, for better mood and focus. For seniors, this means regular bowel movements, less bloating, and more vitality. How to enjoy sesame seeds for fiber. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds daily to hit your fiber goals. Try these ideas. Morning boost. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1.5 grams of fiber, on 1 cup of oatmeal, 4 grams of fiber. Salad crunch. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds to 1 cup of spinach, 2 grams of fiber, with 1/2 cup of chickpeas, 7 grams. Snack smart. Mix 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds with 1/4 cup of almonds, 3.5 grams of fiber, for a fiber-packed treat. For example, Susan, a 72-year-old from Ohio, started adding sesame seeds to her oatmeal daily. Within a week, she noticed regular bowel movements and less bloating. "I feel so much lighter," she shared in our comments. Are you getting enough fiber? Share your favorite high-fiber foods below. 2. Rich in healthy fats. Reduce gut inflammation. Are you dealing with digestive discomfort or joint pain that slows you down? Sesame seeds are loaded with healthy fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and soothe your gut, especially for seniors. Why healthy fats in sesame seeds help? Sesame seeds contain about 14 grams of fat per 28-gram serving, with a balanced mix of monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats, including roughly 0.1 grams of omega-3. These fats promote the growth of good gut bacteria and reduce inflammation, which can damage your gut lining. For seniors, this is vital because aging increases inflammation, worsening conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or joint pain. A 2020 study found that diets rich in healthy fats increased gut bacteria diversity in older adults, reducing inflammation and improving digestion. Sesame seeds fats also support the myelin sheath, the protective coating around nerves, crucial for mobility and brain function, helping you stay active and sharp. How it works in your body. Healthy fats in sesame seeds strengthen your gut lining, preventing leaky gut, where toxins enter your bloodstream and cause inflammation. They also support the gut-brain axis, enhancing serotonin production for better mood and digestion. For seniors, this means less digestive discomfort, stronger immunity, and more energy. How to enjoy sesame seeds for healthy fats. Incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds daily for their anti-inflammatory fats. Try these ideas. Smoothie power. Blend 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds with 1 cup of yogurt and 1/2 cup of blueberries, 4 grams of fiber. Delight. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds on 100-gram salmon fillet, 2.5 grams of omega-3, for a double fat boost. Snack mix. Combine 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds with 1/4 cup of walnuts, 2.5 grams of omega-3, for a gut-soothing treat. For example, John, a 75-year-old from Texas, added sesame seeds to his salads. He noticed less joint pain and smoother digestion within 2 weeks. "I feel so much stronger," he shared. Are you eating enough healthy fats? Drop a comment and share your tips. 3. Packed with lignans. Boost gut bacteria diversity. Do you want a vibrant gut that keeps you energized and healthy? Sesame seeds are rich in lignans, plant compounds that act as prebiotics to boost gut bacteria diversity, especially beneficial for seniors. Why lignans in sesame seeds are key. Sesame seeds contain lignans like sesamin and sesamelin, about 1.1 grams per 100 grams, which feed good gut bacteria and promote a diverse microbiome. A diverse microbiome is essential for seniors because aging reduces bacteria variety, increasing risks of constipation, bloating, or infections. Lignans also have antioxidant properties, reducing oxidative stress that can harm your gut. A 2022 study showed that lignan-rich foods increased gut bacteria diversity in older adults, improving digestion and immunity. 70% of immune cells live in the gut. Lignans also help prevent hypokalemia, low potassium levels causing cramps, by supporting nutrient absorption when paired with potassium-rich foods like bananas, 420 mg per fruit. How it works in your body. Lignans are fermented by gut bacteria into compounds that enhance gut lining health and reduce inflammation. This supports the gut-brain axis, increasing serotonin for better mood and focus. For seniors, this means a stronger gut, fewer digestive issues, and a sharper mind. How to enjoy sesame seeds for lignans. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds daily to boost lignans. Try these ideas. Breakfast sprinkle. Top 1 cup of yogurt with 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and 1/2 cup of raspberries, 4 grams of fiber. Lunch flavor. Mix 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds into 1/2 cup of quinoa, 3 grams of fiber, with 1 cup of spinach. Snack boost. Combine 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds with 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 10 grams of fiber, for a lignan-rich treat. For example, Mary, a 68-year-old from Florida, started sprinkling sesame seeds on her yogurt. She noticed less bloating and a brighter mood within a week. "I feel so much happier," she shared. Are you boosting your gut bacteria? Share your favorite prebiotic foods below. 4. Source of magnesium. Support gut motility and relaxation. Are you experiencing digestive slowdowns or muscle cramps that make daily tasks harder? Sesame seeds are a magnesium-rich superfood, supporting gut motility and muscle health, especially for seniors. Why magnesium in sesame seeds matters. Sesame seeds provide about 100 milligrams of magnesium per 28-gram serving, a mineral that relaxes intestinal muscles to promote peristalsis and prevent constipation. Magnesium also supports muscle function, reducing cramps and combating sarcopenia by aiding protein synthesis. For seniors, magnesium is crucial to prevent hypokalemia, as it works with potassium, like 420 milligrams in a banana, to maintain muscle and nerve health. A 2021 study found that older adults with higher magnesium intake had better gut motility and lower risks of heart disease. Magnesium also calms the nervous system, reducing stress that can slow digestion. How it works in your body. Magnesium relaxes gut muscles, easing food movement and reducing bloating or gas. It also supports the gut-brain axis, promoting serotonin production for better mood and digestion. For seniors, this means smoother digestion, fewer cramps, and more energy. How to enjoy sesame seeds for magnesium. Incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds daily for magnesium. Morning power. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds to 1 cup of oatmeal with 1 banana, 420 milligrams of potassium. Salad boost. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds on 1 cup of kale, 50 milligrams of magnesium, with 1/2 cup of lentils. Snack mix. Combine 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds with 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, 30 milligrams of magnesium. For example, Linda, a 70-year-old from California, added sesame seeds to her salads. She noticed fewer cramps and better digestion within days. I feel so much more relaxed, she shared. Are you getting enough magnesium? Drop a comment and share your tips. 5. Antioxidant properties. Protect your gut from damage. Do you want to shield your gut from inflammation and aging? Sesame seeds are packed with antioxidants, like sesamol and vitamin E, that protect your gut lining and keep it healthy, especially for seniors. Why antioxidants in sesame seeds are essential. Sesame seeds contain antioxidants, about 0.5 milligrams of vitamin E per 28 grams, which neutralize free radicals, harmful molecules that damage gut cells and increase inflammation. For seniors, this is critical because aging guts are more prone to oxidative stress, leading to leaky gut, bloating, or infections. Antioxidants also support the myelin sheath, keeping nerves healthy for better mobility and brain function. A 2020 study found that antioxidant-rich diets reduced gut inflammation in older adults, improving digestion and immunity. Sesame seeds antioxidants also enhance nutrient absorption, supporting sarcopenia prevention. How it works in your body. Antioxidants in sesame seeds protect gut cells from damage, strengthening the gut lining and reducing inflammation. They also support the gut-brain axis, boosting serotonin for better mood and focus. For seniors, this means a healthier gut, stronger immunity, and more vitality. How to enjoy sesame seeds for antioxidants. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds daily for antioxidant benefits. Try these ideas. Smoothie boost. Blend 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds with 1 cup of spinach and 1/2 cup of strawberries, 1 milligram of vitamin C. Dinner sprinkle. Top 1/2 cup of brown rice, 2 grams of fiber, with 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and 1 cup of broccoli. Snack power. Mix 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds with 1/4 cup of walnuts for an antioxidant-rich treat. For example, Robert, a 78-year-old from New York, started adding sesame seeds to his smoothies. He noticed less digestive discomfort and more energy within a week. I feel so much more vibrant, he shared. Are you protecting your gut with antioxidants? Share your favorite foods below. Practical tips for adding sesame seeds to your diet. Now that you know the 5 amazing benefits of sesame seeds, here's how to make them a part of your daily routine. Start small. Begin with 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds daily, gradually increasing to 2 tablespoons to avoid digestive discomfort. Toast for flavor. Lightly toast sesame seeds, 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, to enhance their nutty taste, making them more enjoyable. Combine with other seeds. Pair sesame seeds with chia seeds, 10 grams of fiber per 28 grams, or flax seeds, 8 grams of fiber, for a supercharged gut boost. Check allergies. If you're allergic to sesame, consult your doctor for alternatives like sunflower seeds, 3 grams of fiber per 28 grams. Stay hydrated. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily to help fiber from sesame seeds move through your gut and prevent constipation. For the best results, sprinkle sesame seeds on breakfast, lunch, and snacks. Try starting your day with sesame-topped oatmeal, adding them to a lunchtime salad, and mixing them into a smoothie for a snack. These small changes can transform your digestion and help you feel amazing every day. Let's build a healthier community together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us bring you more valuable content. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or what gut health topic you'd like us to cover next. Maybe you've tried sesame seeds or have a favorite recipe. Share it with our community. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health tips. Your gut health is the foundation of your vitality, and you deserve to feel your best at any age. By adding sesame seeds to your diet for their fiber, healthy fats, lignans, magnesium, and antioxidants, you're taking powerful steps toward a stronger, healthier gut. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.